Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the database you intend to organize. Make sure you backed it up and enabled content so macros and forms run. Once the file is open, locate the Switchboard Manager tool or the navigation form template. You do this now because the Switchboard relies on existing forms, reports, and macros. Prepare those objects first. If you don't have the form objects yet, create minimal forms for each major task so the Switchboard can link to them without later rework. Once the manager is open, create a new Switchboard and add a first page. Name it for the main task so users land in the right place. You then add buttons, selecting actions like Open Form, Run Macro, or Go to Page, and assign the correct target objects. This maps behavior to the UI. Make sure to set button captions clearly and order them logically. Nested pages let you group related tasks. Save after each page so you don't lose structure. You finish by running the Switchboard as a user. Click every button, open each form, and verify macros execute. If a button fails, check the linked form or macro name and relink. Inconsistent object names are the most common cause. Once tests pass, deploy the front end to users or split the database if needed and compact/repair to optimize. Troubleshooting tip. If controls behave oddly, confirm access security settings and that all referenced objects exist in the same front-end copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.